Steel Authority of India Limited, SAIL, means different things to different people. To many, we are India's largest steel producer. To some, we are the bearers of a rich heritage. For others, we are a bridge to the future, a light that brightens their livelihoods, touching the lives of millions. SAIL has been incessantly working towards a robust mechanism of fair governance that can propel forward the company's exceptional credentials. SAIL takes pride in fueling the future dreams of the country by supplying special grade steel for prestigious projects like Chandrayaan, manufacture of INS Vikrant, and indigenous development of submarine grade steel for Indian Navy. Indian Railways runs on rails provided by SAIL, which is a testament to SAIL's contribution in India's development. SAIL is one of the largest state-owned manufacturing companies in the world, having a Maharatna status with a turnover of more than 1 lakh crores, a strong workforce of about 55,000 employees, and 5 integrated steel plants punctuating the map of India. Bhilai Steel Plant, Bokaro Steel Plant, Durgapur Steel Plant, Raurkela Steel Plant, ISCO Steel Plant. Being such an integral part of the lives of Indian people makes it essential for SAIL to have high levels of public accountability, ensuring through a robust preventive vigilance mechanism. CVC, formed as an apex body for prevention of corruption in central government institutions and public administration, was vested with autonomy and insulated from external influences through enactment of the CVC Act in 2003. SAIL boasts of a competent vigilance team of highly qualified engineers and other senior officers. For benchmarking the effectiveness of vigilance administration in SAIL and to keep pushing the bar higher and higher, Vigilance solemnly embraced the vision to establish quality management system in 2006 to facilitate a conducive environment for enabling employees to work with integrity, impartiality and efficiency in a fair and transparent manner. Consequently, the objective and transparent vigilance management in SAIL has been hailed and acknowledged all around. Recently, SAIL Vigilance has been adjudged #1 amongst PSUs in vigilance administration by Central Vigilance Commission. This was the first ever ranking brought out by CVC in vigilance area. SAIL is part of an elite group of public sector undertaking that have implemented anti-bribery management system (ABMS), covering all its plants, units, and being the first amongst the Maharatna PSUs to achieve that feat. SAIL also has the distinction of having an online portal for lodging of complaints under the vigilance mechanism. As part of these efforts for further promoting ethical functioning in SAIL, the Vigilance Department has undertaken several interventions that promote good governance. These are Transparent Procurement System. SAIL formulated transparent procedures to ensure that commercial decision-making is both prudent and quick. Laying down transparent guidelines, documents like standard bidding document and purchase and contract procedure have been formulated. These guidelines are periodically reviewed and updated to ensure adherence to latest directives of CVC, Government of India. Presently, SAIL conducts business worth crores on the e-platform, which offers enhanced transparency and faster processing over the traditional tendering methods. Steel manufacturing process is complex, and by the time finished product is received, a large quantity of secondary products with substantial market value are produced. SAIL reviewed the process of selling of these valuable secondary products and initiated the switch over to selling through e-forward auction. In fact, on the advice of CVC, online forward auction and online reverse auction were introduced in SAIL as early as 2002. Presently, SAIL is conducting most of its business through the e-platforms. Dedicated tender website, fair and transparent tendering, often being the primary focus area of preventive vigilance. SAIL has hosted a website, sailtenders.co.in, dedicated exclusively for its tenders. While all open tenders of SAIL are hosted on this website, it also disseminates a range of information on limited tenders, post-contract details of high-value contracts, tender guidelines, the existing vendors and vendor registration guidelines in a user-friendly format. This has attracted the interest of an ever-growing fraternity of reputed vendors in carrying out business with SAIL. Integrity Pact. To raise the bar of accountability and probity in high-value tenders, SAIL, under the supervision of Central Vigilance Commission, has adopted the mechanism of Integrity Pact. Under this mechanism, the entire process of tendering is scrutinized by Independent External Monitor or IEMs, who are persons of eminence with impeccable reputation and sound experience in the field of contracting. Knowledge sharing. SAIL realized early that the propagation of knowledge of various regulations and procedures is one of the cornerstones of preventive vigilance. With the objective of increasing vigilance awareness amongst employees, knowledge-sharing sessions and workshops are conducted regularly at the plants and units. A total of 190 workshops involving 4,092 participants were organized in the last year alone for enhancing employee awareness on PIDP resolution, Whistleblower Policy, Lokpal and Lok Ayukta Act 2013, ABMS, Purchase and Contract Procedure, RTI Act, Conduct, Discipline and Appeal Rules, Systems and Procedures followed in SAIL and other related topics. The concept of learn from each other, LEO workshops, has been started in SAIL Vigilance with the aim of capacity building and providing a platform for vigilance executives. From SAIL plants, units, as well as other PSUs to collaborate with each other. The Vigilance in-house journal, Inspiration, is also being published annually to reach out to more number of employees, surveillance and preventive checks. The vigilance personnel of SAIL are perceptive to the various modes of fraud and manipulation and keep a close watch on transactions in vulnerable areas. Records are checked, transactions are scrutinized, and questions are asked to ensure adherence to procedure. SAIL Vigilance leverages the surprise element in preventive checks for clear disclosures of facts, evidences, and also serves as a yardstick for efficient work culture. Such surprise checks in the receipt of high-value raw materials like ferroalloys and coke have prevented supply of substandard material and incurred savings. Surprise checks in dispatch section have paved the way for ensuring the delivery of correct quantity of SAIL steel of desired quality to the customers in fair manner. In the last year alone, more than 2,200 periodic checks were conducted at different plants, which have led to a saving of more than 50.92 crores. A substantial number of cases have also been taken up for intensive examination at different plants and units. Technological intervention. SAIL has effectively deployed various state-of-the-art surveillance equipment to ensure round-the-clock preventive interventions throughout the organization. The innovative positioning of CCTV cameras at vantage points, various process parameters like the weight from weight bridges, material composition from the XRF sampling machines, and the physical production data are captured in the auto systems, thereby arresting the scope of further manipulation. Governance through ERP. SAIL has moved ahead with enterprise resource planning, which bears transparency, accountability, and speed as its hallmarks. Through its innate provisions of checks and balances, the ERP system has further strengthened the entire process of preventing vigilance throughout the organization. Vigilance monitors the ERP transactions to detect systemic flaws, if any, and aids in weaving solutions to tighten the system. SAIL website. The SAIL website www.sail.co.in is often the first online interface between SAIL and its stakeholders. Promoting preventive vigilance, several web-based features like complaints under PIDP resolution, whistleblower policy, provision for online lodging of complaints, status for CSR projects and expenditure incurred, status of bills submitted by vendors, provision of viewing annual reports, financial statistics and many others have been incorporated to promote good governance. Transparency in recruitment. SAIL is treasured with brilliant technocrats, managers and a large number of skilled workers who have been selected through a tough screening process. The process of selection of such a big scale can often be fraught with doubts and complaints. However, as a preventive measure, SAIL has embraced the web platform for online issue of advertisements, receipt of applications and publication of results. Vigilance has played an instrumental role in formulation of SAIL's recruitment manual and making the recruitment process extremely transparent and efficient. SAIL's efforts are a result of a rich legacy of good governance evolved over years of toil in heat and dust, and a continuous pursuit for excellence in all the spheres of activity, with ethics being the core reverberating value. At the end, the ultimate objective is always to ensure the universal rule of Satyamev Jayate.